Hello friends, it's your girl Spec reporting live from Kate's kitchen. Before we continue this video, let's just take a moment to savor the spaghetti. Am I the only one that is feeling it? I can't be the only one. If you want to learn how to make the spaghetti, then keep watching. But first off, you have to do something for me. You see that subscribe button below? Click on it. Have you done that? Now let's jump right into the video. Fun fact about this meal is that it doesn't require a whole lot of ingredients. We just need our chicken, which I already had in the fridge, our spring onions, our bell peppers, love me some bell peppers, our carrots, and then our soy sauce. These are the major ingredients that you need to prepare this meal. So I've gone ahead to slice all my vegetables. The list of all the ingredients used to prepare this meal would be in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Please note that you can slice your vegetables in whatever shape or size that you desire. I wanted this shape, I wanted this size, so I sliced mine like this. So first off, we start by parboiling our star ingredients of the day, which is our spaghetti. We already have a pot of boiling water on fire. We add some salt and then a bit of oil. The oil is to make sure that our spaghetti does not stick together when it's ready. So we just put in the spaghetti and then we let it boil for some minutes. Note, don't allow it to overboil so that it doesn't get soggy. So while our spaghetti is doing its thing, we'd want to start making our sauce. I always like to make the sauce side by side with the spaghetti so that by the time the spaghetti is ready, the sauce is almost ready or all ready. But if you don't have access to like two sources of light, then you can make them one after the other. But I strongly advise that you do them side by side. So we already have our oil in the pan and we're waiting for it to heat up a bit. For this recipe, I used olive oil. Now that our oil is hot enough, we add in our onions and then allow it to fry for a bit. Please make sure that you allow your onions to fry because we know that there's this aroma and then taste that comes with onions that is allowed to fry well. Then we add in our ginger and our garlic, shredded ginger and garlic. Our onion, ginger and garlic is well sauteed now. It's time to add in our chicken. This does not require a lot of seasoning because I already seasoned the chicken while boiling it previously. The only thing I added was black pepper because I love me some spice. So you can also do that. But if you are using a plain chicken or raw chicken that you have not added any ingredients or seasoning at all, then you might have to add a little bit of seasoning. Please cut down on your seasoning because you are also going to season the other part of the sauce. Now that this is well fried, I'm going to take it out from the fire and then put it in a plate. Don't wash the pan because you're going to use it again for the vegetables. So we add some extra olive oil. Now that our oil is heated up, we add in our onions and allow it to saute. Next, we add our remaining garlic and ginger, and then we go ahead to add our bell peppers, the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, and the yellow bell peppers. Stir everything together and allow it to get done properly. There's this aroma that comes out of bell peppers and onions when it is ready. Just make sure you allow it to get done properly. While this is getting ready, let's go check on our spaghetti. I'm sure it will be ready by now. Okay, this looks ready. As you can see, I didn't allow it to get all soft and soggy, so we're just going to sieve it out. Back to our vegetables. Now that this is all ready, it's time to add our carrots. So we add our carrots and then stir properly and allow it to fry for a bit. Then we add in our chicken and then just mix. If you've gotten to this point in this video and then you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Now that it's stirred properly, it's time to add the seasoning cube. I'm using 2 seasoning cubes and then 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir properly and it's time to add the dark soy sauce. If you don't have access to this dark soy sauce, you can go ahead and just add your spaghetti to this sauce right here, but only that it won't taste as good as mine did. So now that the soy sauce has married well with our vegetables, it's time to introduce the star ingredients of the day, the spaghetti. But first of all, let's just admire the colors of this sauce. Like, I'm seeing orange, yellow, green, red. It's such a delight to cook, no jokes. So now we're introducing our star ingredients, the spaghetti. Just pour and then mix well. Make sure that the spaghetti enters the sauce enters the spaghetti. Just mix it till everything goes round. Okay? Then we add our last ingredient for the day, the spring onions. I always like to put this last because there's just this finishing look and taste that it gives to my dishes. Our spaghetti is ready. Please give this video a very big fat thumbs up if you've enjoyed what you've watched and you would like to see more content like this. I would also be in the comment section to know what your struggles are, what your thoughts are, and then what meal you would want me to give you a recipe on in my next video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified when I post more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.